Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you from New England and missing taste of home? Did you know that you can buy yourself Autocrat coffee syrup and transport yourself right to Rhode Island? It's true. A friend got this as a gift for my husband because he is absolutely obsessed with this. And let me tell you, it just lit up his whole world when he received this because right from home, even if you no longer live near Rhode Island, you can have that amazing taste of classic coffee milk. And if you have never tried that and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you are missing out. This mixed in with your favorite milk and boom, you have a delicious treat. So my husband likes to use this with almond milk, but you can use whatever you like. He mixes in a teaspoon or two kind of to taste depending on the size of the glass. He adds a little bit more looking for that awesome coffee milk color. Just a couple of stirs with a spoon and you are ready to go. This is so amazing. It comes in this big 32-ounce container, so you are set for a while, but the possibilities with this are endless. You could make milk with it, you can put it on your ice cream, put it in your coffee, whatever you want to do to give you that taste of home. And in fact, it comes straight from Lincoln, Rhode Island. So this is legit. It's so nice to be able to have that taste of Rhode Island when maybe you don't live there anymore or you're not close. If you have been craving coffee milk, here it is right here, the source, Autocrat coffee syrup. We recommend checking it out if you are missing that taste in your life, but that's just our point of view.